After 2 days of travel from Los Angeles, I finally touched down in Vienna. Vienna isn't just a city, it's a place where power, art, and history collide. For nearly 650 years, the Habsburgs ruled much of Central Europe from right here. Their presence still hangs over the streets, in the palaces, the statues, the sheer scale of the city. You don't just see history here, you feel it pressing from every angle. With only 36 hours to take it all in, we hit the ground running. Jet lag worked in our favor, up before dawn, wandering Vienna's Innere Stadt while much of the city was still waking up. Empty streets, quiet courtyards, just me and a few delivery vans rattling through. In the center of the city stands St. Stephen's Cathedral. Its roof is a patchwork of colorful tiles, its spire a needle that has pierced the sky for nearly 500 years. To really know this place, you have to climb it, all 343 steps. But at the top, the city stretched out in every direction. The climb wasn't about the view, it was about earning the first real connection with Vienna. After visiting St. Stephen's Cathedral, we took the subway to Schönbrunn Palace, the Habsburgs' summer home. Yes, summer home. The palaces of Versailles might get all the fame, but Schönbrunn holds its own, with nearly 1,400 rooms, endless gardens, fountains, statues, all leading uphill to the Gloriette. Standing there and looking back at Vienna, framed by gardens, you don't just see wealth, you see a dynasty that wanted the world to know who was in charge. As the day wound down, we drifted through Vienna's side streets and let the city reveal itself slowly. By dinner, exhaustion finally caught up. But even in that haze, Vienna left its mark. From the dizzying climb at St. Stephen's to the grand stage of Schönbrunn, Vienna doesn't just tell you its history, it throws you into it. And for me, as my first stop in Europe, Vienna was the perfect beginning. A city that demands your attention, rewards your effort, and makes sure you'll remember it long after you left.